Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video, I am going to tell you about how to fix hotspot problem in your Samsung smartphone if it is not connecting or there is a password issue, how you can solve it. So first you have to open your settings, click on connection. Here you can see here it is mobile data, mobile hotspot and tethering. You have to just simply tap on the mobile hotspot and you have to change your password. It sometimes reset the password, so you can make your own password, at least 8 digit password. Then you can select the band 5G, like this is the fastest hotspot network. So from here you can enable it and you can check here if you have blocked anyone's from the mobile data hotspot. So you can unblock first and then connect it will be connected. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.